Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Vicky. Oh, long time no see. If you're new here, welcome to the family. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always liking, watching my videos. I really appreciate you. Okay, so let's delve right into this video because I'm going to be doing a review of this rice jam soap. And without further ado, let's dive right in. First things first, the packaging. This is what the soap looks like, and this is what the front looks like. The soap comes in this transparent nylon. This is what the packaging. If you're buying the full set, I think it comes in a set of 12, if I'm not mistaken, 12 and 6. So if you buy the 6 in one, this is what it looks like. It's made in Thailand. Made in Thailand, if you can see. And it's a rice soap, so the list of ingredients in here are coconut oil, which is cocos nucifera oil, then Eliasis genesis oil, water. I'm sorry if I'm not pronouncing them well. It has water, oryza sativa, I know that's rice. It has the bran extract, it has glutathione, it has collagen, it has glycerin, it has sodium hydroxide, it has fragrance and vitamin E acetate. So that's basically the contents. So it contains a couple of nice ingredients which will help do wonders to our skin. Okay, so straight into my review. I have used this soap before, but somehow I couldn't reach for some more. I couldn't get some, and then a couple of things happened. I had my baby, I was too busy, so I have gotten the soap again. Then, and here is my honest review. Is this soap worth the hype? Is this rice jam soap worth the hype? The first thing I noticed, it really cleanses the skin. It cleanses the skin because it has sodium hydroxide, it has collagen and glutathione. Those are things that really clarify and cleanse the skin. So for the cleansing, it cleanses the skin, especially the face. I use it only on my face, so it works wonders for my face. Then for the feel, after using it on my face, sometimes it really feels dry. You know, rice has a drying effect both on the hair and on the skin, so it somehow dried my face. But what I do most times when I'm done using it, I quickly apply moisturizer or my face oil onto my face so that I don't break out or it doesn't dry out my skin. Okay, so if you have sensitive skin, then you should combine the usage of this soap with a face moisturizer or face oil of whatever you want to combine. Don't let your skin dry out, although it has glycerin, but that's not enough. Now for the fragrance, man, if you use this soap, it leaves a nice fragrance both on your skin, in the environment, in your bathroom. It lives everywhere smelling amazing. Like, I love the fragrance. It doesn't smell like rice, but it has a nice perfume. Okay, so that's one of the really nice things I like about this soap. Then, does it lighten the skin? For me, I don't think so. As you can see, I'm a dark person, and I've used this soap. The last time I bought, I used up to 3. I wasn't lighter, and now I'm on my first bar. This is it. I've opened this one and I'm using it. There are no changes. It just maintains your natural complexion, and that's one of the things I love about the soap. The soap it comes in this square bar. It has some grains of the brown rice inside, so as you're using it, you could see some particles, some residue of the rice inside, which is not bad, but it just shows that it's authentic. you get. So if you're using yours and you don't see some particles of brown rice inside, you might have gotten the fake one. So for us that have used it before, I know what the soap smells like. I know what the packaging looks like. One of the things I like about the soap is that it contains 90% of natural ingredients. Yes, I don't like soaps that have too many synthetic chemicals in them. This soap is almost natural, and I love it for that. So it's just like using an organic soap, although it's not 100% organic, but it's really close to organic. Anyways, apart from that, I would really want to recommend RiceJamSoap. It's a good soap to have, it's a good soap to use, it's a good facial soap. I'm using this and I've been using it for a long time. I love using it and I'll continue using it. Anyways, my honest review. If you want to give it a try, give it a try. If you don't want, you can use whatever product you deem fit. But for now, that's not much I can say. Thanks for watching. Bye.